There is endless restoration work to maintain the iconic rooms of the Vatican museums. They welcome millions of tourists and took center stage as host of the conclave. EWTN Vatican News correspondent Valentina De Donato has more.
We are always ready, and we do care daily to this holy place. And of course, the maintenance is more and more of the rest of the 7 miles of the museums, because we know and we are aware of the importance of this place.
Unlike some of the world's most important museums, the Vatican museums have a mission that goes beyond preservation and display. It's about evangelizing through beauty, art, and history. That's such a beautiful thing to remember, that these rooms, which you think, oh, they're rooms, it's art, but there's spiritual significance here.
Our mission is a little different mission, a very focused mission on the idea of sharing not only our heritage in terms of history and in terms of creation of art, but in terms of what the spirituality and the faith produce this work of art.
Because of the importance of the function of the museums in the life of the Church, its restoration and conservation are crucial.
No doubt that apart from the conclave, this is probably one of the most important holy places in the world. So we do care daily and annually in a very, very strong way. We are always ready to make it use by the Pope, by the cardinals, if they want it.
Marco Maggi, head of conservation of the Vatican Museums, led the momentous conservation work in the Sistine Chapel ahead of the conclave by proactively addressing environmental factors like temperature, humidity, and light.
It was a very, very moving moment because the Sistine Chapel is actually a chapel, is one of the Apostolic Palace's chapel. During the conclave, our office, together with other office of the museum, work together to prepare so an important event for the Catholic Church and for the world.
Marco Maggi's background as an archaeologist helps him bridge the world of the past and present for the future generations to also be able to catch a glimpse of the divine.
Our work can become a witness of faith. We work to make visible to the pilgrims and visitors the peculiar God's light. That's our mission, to allow everyone to catch that light.
In Rome, Valentina Di Donato for EWTN News Nightly.